test one, two. Yep, this is unlucky here. Thank God I took it here on MQ. Um, Honestly, I was just hoping that we continue to sell off. I had no intention of trading today. That is one of the reasons I took an MQ. I took the shit on MQ. It's just like, dude, let's just see what we do. Like, just take something today. Trying to, I could go bigger here on the, stop loss, risk about $100. I would not mind it. But I think this is where I like what I'm comfortable losing, especially when I did say like no trade today. I wasn't gonna trade, but man, the buying volume is crazy today, like insane. Yeah, I was hoping we just continue, but it seems like gonna get
Order
taken
filled.
out. Yeah, here, yeah, interesting. Insane. I'm not gonna say I don't know why we didn't continue dropping after the buying volume we had today, but man, we should have tank here. I don't know. Right. Breaker block. I mean, my entry was a little bit later than I would wanted, but it is what it is, though. But if I do trade tomorrow, and yeah, I'll see you guys. Peace. Alright. What up, what up? How's it going, you nerds? Welcome back to another vid. Um, we're back, yeah. As you guys will see, I took two trades today. This is like my first trade. Um, Honestly, there was I've checked like IG, Instagram, whatever traders. Every trader seems to have taken this setup right here. Either they lost or break
Order
even.
filled.
Either way, that was like perfect presentation for long, in my opinion. We're reacting off of like a 1 hour, 4 hour FBJ on both indexes. We had this sell off all morning, right? So us tapping into those areas, I was like, okay, sure. Buyers are coming in, strong disrespecting of the FVJ, and then continue up with the movement that we were having. But I'm guessing that selling volume was too much today. Honestly, coming into the market, as you guys know, as I've always said, my bias is always sell, right? I'm trying to have an open bias now. I'm going to longs and short. So whatever the market gave me, that's what I'm gonna try and trade. So that's what I tried today, and as you can see, it did not work out, unfortunately. Um, but yeah, and I did redeem myself. Like I said, I took two trade. I locked in, right. I'm like, okay, what is volume giving us? Selling, right? We're selling off. And what do we have at the bottom? We have the 50% mark on the 4 FEJ that we need to fill. Like I said, we always go down there and fill the 25%, 50% mark of that gap, which is what I did today. What you're seeing right now is us responding off the gap right here on the 30 and NQ, and responding off the gap on the 1 minute on ES. That was OPC. Um, There you go. Zoom it out. I see. Yeah. As you can see, we're responding, right? Sellers are keeping us down. So this is what I'm looking at right now. See how we're responding. Strong 2 minute close. Strong 30. Insane. We're retesting the gap right here. Um. Yeah, right here are just wanting us to stay within that range and not go much higher here. And just come back down to give us like a breaker block type of entry here. So right now I'm just looking for what volume is giving us. Is the volume still there? And also I'm keeping it in mind that in the back of my head that we still have the 50%, 25% to fill for the gap. Yeah, and yeah, which is what I did today. So I wasn't panicking when I took that loss. I knew that my bias was always bearish, and if you have a bearish market, some way somehow I'm gonna bang, right? If I don't, then yeah, it's one of those days. So yeah, I'm being very patient here. Just looking and see what we're doing. Are we staying inside the gap? Are we respecting the 50%? What's the move here? Are we closing? And Q was very bearish this morning too. And Q was selling off crazy. The reason I didn't enter early, like early market open, is because like I did not get the retracement I was looking for on like either time frame, like the lower time frame, the mid or high time frame, and so that's why I didn't get any entry that I would have ideally like to take. Every time I see an entry, I'm waiting for the closure. We always sell off like with a Drake candle. So yeah, right here you will see. Right here, I was literally pleading. I'm like, bro, if I miss this move, I like this move right here. I see selling is the volume is strong right here. So I was like, okay, the next retrace we get, if we get a flip to the lower side, I'm in. And let's see what we do here. So we flipped. We see we're getting knocked down. That means right here, a lot of pressure. Sellers putting that pressure. And we created a 15-second IFBJ. We're reacting off it. How do we close? Yep, we flip. I knew not to hesitate here. Just
Order
take it. Yeah. Yeah, pretty simple day, honestly. I just went off based off volume, what I saw coming in. Break even early. Right here, I could have let it hit
order
TP.
filled.
The reason I didn't is because I didn't want to be greedy, right? Could have easily hit TP there. But like I said, I did not want to get greedy. Like, I'll take my loss, break even, plus some profit. That is perfect, right? You make your losses back and a little bit of profit on top. You don't need anything more than that, right? Just take your wins and get out of the market. There's no reason to stay and trying to make more. Just take what the market gave you, right? This market, if you're greedy, you're gonna get eaten raw, no sauce. So yeah, like out for today, and we're done. Yeah, that's it for today. W days. Honestly, I would have taken those trades like 10 times over. Unfortunately, it didn't work out. Peace.